Hello friends, welcome to Stay Fit and Fresh. Let's discuss the benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern involving alternating periods of fasting with periods of eating. Some popular methods of IF include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories to 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. Here are some of the benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight by reducing calorie intake and boosting metabolism. It also helps reduce belly fat, which is linked to several chronic diseases. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to several chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve other markers of heart health. Improved brain function. Intermittent fasting may improve brain function and prevent age-related cognitive decline by promoting the growth of new nerve cells and reducing inflammation in the brain. Convenience. Intermittent fasting can be a convenient way to eat, as it doesn't require meal planning or constant snacking throughout the day. It's important to note that intermittent fasting is not appropriate for everyone, especially those with a history of disordered eating or certain medical conditions. If you're considering intermittent fasting, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional first. Thanks for watching. If you find this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to the channel.